Howdy fellas and fella S's. Little update on the quick and dirty repair on the Gaso-Gen. Seems to be working alright. I've got 4 hours on it now after the repair and it seems to be holding together. Let's get a lot closer, huh? Seems to be running quite happily, not making any bad smells like it used to in the past with those holes in it. Smoke was leaking out of the hopper and it was making an unwanted smell and wasting fuel. Those of you with good ears will probably hear that the engine is running quite slowly. Normally these generators do 3,000 RPM. I run mine at 2200 thereabouts. It makes it a lot quieter. Sure, you lose a few volts, but it seems to be more economical at that speed. It allows me to run all my power tools and things over there in the new workshop. Let's see if I can show you some of the things I've been making with the electricities coming out of the newly repaired Woodgasifier. With a few powder tools, a couple of grinders and a driller, I've been making parts like this to fit into parts like this. I've made 2 of these so far. That will be screwed into the Gasifier frame. This here is where you unscrew that and you put your keystones and so on in there to make the twin keystone filter. The bit at the bottom screws into this. It's a U-tube, which is where you're watching this video. What a coinkydink. So, with a little frame sort of like this, but with hinges on it to let these things swing into place because they'll be quite heavy with their load of keystone, I'll be able to put them somewhere along here. Maybe along this line, on some sort of subframe, to cool and to de-water the gas coming from the charlek. So that being today's activity, that and running this on wood power to make the next lot of treacle to run the generator tomorrow. Let's see what happens if I switch on the onboard light that I've made up here. I think that helps. Yeah, so just a little update. It's the repairs on the Gasifier seem to have worked like a charm, and hopefully that will last all through the winter. Wish me luck, boys and girls. Sayonara.